Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture video, we will going to talk about what are list element and how are they useful and common in HTML. So let's get started. Okay, so now in today's lecture, mostly our work is practical. So for the 10 or to 5 minutes, we will only talk about on the paint. And our first topic, that is what are list elements. That what are list elements in HTML. So basically in HTML we use lists to show items together, like to-do list, a menu list, or a set of steps, and there are three types of list element. The one is ordered ordered list. The second is basically unordered, and the third one is description. These are the three main types of list element. So these were the three types of list element, and in today's lecture we will only talk about these two because these are the most important, and usually description element is not used that much. So in our lecture, so we will talk about only for the list element in description. Sorry, list element, order list, and unordered list. So first, that what is ordered ordered list. So as from the name it is represented that ordered list is used for when the order of items matters, like step in a recipes, or every steps in a menu are in ordered. For example, I will give an example. Uh, this is a car. He is awesome. And the another one is I eat vegetables. So these are the three sentences, and now they are in order. But when we will apply opening and closing text to it, so they will be much suitable. Okay, so in ordered and unordered. Okay, now for the ordered and unordered list, we use ol slash ol closing and opening tags. These opening and closing tags are for ordered lists, and for the unordered list we use ul and slash ul. These are for the unordered, and for the description we use dl, like this for the opening and slash dl for the closing. These are for the description. This was for the description. So now we will use the ordered lists opening and closing tags ol for the given sentences. Okay, so the sentences I will give it again, but with another sentence, that ol opening tag, and we will apply li as for the h1 html heading elements, or for the sentence heading elements. So boil the water, this is a sentence, and closing tag li. You can also use h1 or h for the opening and closing tags. Li add tea leaves, add tea leaves. This is the second sentence. Li, and the third sentence is pour water into a cup. We will use this sentence, that pour water in a cup. So these were the three sentences, but now it is not in order because we have not applied the closing tag. So we will apply the closing tag to it. So this were a few examples of ordered list that we have applied the opening and closing tag to it to order it. So now we will describe unordered list, that what are unordered list and how are they useful. Basically they are not useful, but we will also describe it. An unordered list is used when the order doesn't matter, like shopping list or any other list that doesn't matters, like contains only one letter, like apple, ball, oranges, mangoes. So like this. So for the unordered list we use ul, as I have said, that li and mango and li slash li. Then the third one is banana, banana, li, and the third one is, for example, peach, peach, and I have. So these now I will apply the closing text, sorry, ul slash. So these are the some of the unordered lists that they are in one word, that for example mango is a one word, banana is a one word, and peach is a one, and they are in unordered lists. So these were the ordered and unordered list as we have discussed in today's lecture, and now we will apply it practically on the Visual Studio Code, okay, it's open. So now here I have copy paste the list element file. I will give it in the community of my WhatsApp community, parkwebstudio.com. So here you will get all the files of the given lectures, and now for the list element here are three files, like the goal, the index, and the solution. So our goal is to order this type of list, like it is in order that Angela's recipe for the best cinnamon rolls, that there is a girl Angela, sorry, there is a girl Angela and she's making cinnamon rolls as her best recipe. So here is the heading, main heading, here is the H2, here is the H1, here is the H2, H3, H4 and H5, and in H3 there are certain ordered lists that what to do, like for example 3 by 4 cup warm milk. So this is one Li, and in the second, third, fourth, and in the H3, in H4 there are three lists, and in the H5 instructions there are six lists. So now we will practically apply on it, that here is applied, like here H1 closing, H2 closing, H3 closing, and the UL for the ordered list, and the H3 here we can also apply H4 on it, and UL, and H2 we can also apply H5 on it, and OL because it is unordered. So now we will just simply go here and apply the all the lists element tags. Okay, now we will here apply the tags. So here first was the H1, and here we will close it. Here is the closing tag. So here was the h2, h2, and here is the h2 also, sorry, this slash h2, and now here will be the ul but with a space. Now here will be the ul, no sorry, here will be the ul not with the space. Cross it here and we will apply li here, and here li, sorry, slash li. Now here also li, like here there from the 6 till the 11 it all contains li, so I will directly jump to the 12, but you should apply all the li's on it and you should fill all the uh, tags like it have just already done here, that here h3, h2, ul, ol. For the unordered list we use ol, and for the ordered list we use ul. That like here it's in ordered and here is in unordered. So I hope you have understood today's lecture, and I hope this video made everything easy to understand. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share to my channel. Let me know in the comments that what should I cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.